Welcome back, our dear candidates, to yet this third session. In the second session, we talked about ways how light travels from one place to another. And right now, I want to take you through the rays and beams. A ray is a straight path along which light travels. You can as well define a ray as a path followed by light. Dear candidates, when we're dealing with the light energy, ensure that a ruler is part of your life, because we draw these rays using rulers strictly and not free hands. So we have a diagram here that is illustrating a ray of light. And you can see that it is straight. You draw a line and put an arrowhead. Then a beam is a collection of light rays traveling in the same direction. Rays which are traveling in the same direction collectively are known as a beam. Or we can say a beam is a stream of light rays. With different types of beams, three of them. One, we have the parallel beam, the divergent beam or diverging beam. Then the third one is the convergent beam or a converging beam. You can use one of these words in case you asked to name any one type of beams. You say either divergent or diverging, convergent or converging beam. A parallel beam is a group of rays parallel to one another and can't meet after leaving the source. Dear candidates, in mathematics, I believe you must have covered the parallel lines, and this is exactly what we're talking about here, that these lines can never meet at one time, so they are parallel to each other. You can see we have a source of light, then the rays moving or traveling from that source of light. Then two, we have the divergent or diverging beam. We're saying a diverging beam is a collection of rays that spread out from a point source of light. This is the point source of light, and as you can see, the rays are spreading outwards. In electricity and magnetism, especially when we are dealing with a torch, an electric torch, you talked about the reflector and its function, and one of the functions is that it reflects light into a diverging beam of light. In fact, in case you're asked to give an example where a diverging beam can be applied, you talk about a torch, then you can as well talk about the car headlamps. At night, when you observe those lights from the vehicle, they spread outwards to cover a wide distance to give the driver a clear view of the road. Then three, we have the convergent, or what we've said, the converging beam. And we are saying that a converging beam is a group of rays, which meet together at a point. These rays come from different directions, but they are able to meet at a point. Converging, meeting at a point, as shown in that diagram. Dear candidates, you'll do an activity on page 90 and 91 and ensure to write very well. Thank you.